Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan, where we explore breathtaking destinations around the world. Today, I am thrilled to take you on a virtual journey to a hidden gem in southern India, Alleppey. So, grab your virtual wanderlust and let's dive into this awe-inspiring destination. Nestled along the majestic Malabar coast of Kerala, Alleppey is often referred to as the Venice of the East, due to its intricate network of canals, lagoons, and backwaters. With its picturesque landscapes and vibrant culture, it's no wonder why Alleppey is a favorite among both domestic and international tourists. One of the best ways to experience Alleppey is by cruising along its famous backwaters on a traditional houseboat called a ketavalam. These floating homes offer an unmatched view of Alleppey's serene surroundings. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping and watching the mesmerizing sunset while gently gliding on the calm waters. It's pure bliss. As we sail through the backwaters, you'll notice the abundance of paddy fields and coconut trees, which are essential to Alleppey's agricultural economy. The locals here pride themselves on building their traditional homes, known as Tharavadu, with sustainable materials like coconut wood and leaves. It truly showcases their harmonious relationship with nature. Apart from its enchanting backwaters, Alleppey is also home to a stunning coastline. The Alleppey beach, with its golden sand and turquoise waters, is a treat for all beach lovers. Whether you want to unwind, take a leisurely stroll, or indulge in various water sports, this beach has it all. And if you're lucky, you might even witness the unique spectacle of fishermen casting the traditional Chinese fishing nets. Cultural diversity is at the heart of Alleppey, and you can witness this through their vibrant festivals and captivating art forms. The snakeboat races, known as Vallam Kali, are a sight to behold. Spectators gather along the banks of Punamada Lake, cheering as dozens of oarsmen row in unison, showcasing their strength, skill, and team spirit. Now let's talk about food. Alleppey is a paradise for food lovers, especially seafood enthusiasts. The local cuisine is a perfect blend of spices and flavors. Don't miss the opportunity to relish the traditional Alleppey fish curry and appam, a staple delicacy made from fermented rice batter. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Alleppey is not just a nature lover's delight, but also a wellness retreat. The town offers a range of traditional Ayurvedic treatments, from rejuvenating massages to holistic therapies. Immerse yourself in the tranquil ambience, as skilled therapists work their magic to revitalize your body and mind. Before we wrap up this virtual journey, I want to share a little secret with you. If you seek tranquility and a chance to witness Alleppey's raw beauty, visit the exquisite Vembanad Lake. The largest lake in Kerala, it's a paradise for bird watchers and nature photographers. Spend a calm evening by the lake, and you'll understand why Alleppey holds a special place in the hearts of travelers. Well, that wraps up our virtual tour of Alleppey. I hope I was able to give you a glimpse of the diverse experiences this incredible destination offers. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Alleppey and experience the magic firsthand. Remember to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the journey. Stay tuned for more exciting destinations coming your way. Until then, keep exploring and keep spreading the love for travel.